really excited about some of the resources that are going to come alongside of search and rescue. We've started working on the journal workbook that a person could go through individually, just for more. You know, my experience in a book is I kind of take a highlighter to it, I'll write some notes in the margin, and I enjoy reading that way. But to have a place that some of the questions aren't so rhetorical, but there's a place and a space to interact and to write and to be with God in the questions that Search and Rescue raises, that's coming in the summer of 2011. There'll be a workbook, study guide, journal. There'll also be a conference in the fall. We've already started to think about what if people wanted to gather around this and wanted some more training or more orientation? What would that look like? So we've had some roundtable discussions about offering a conference in the fall of 2011. There will be a lot of the resources and a lot of the information that's coming regarding the book and things in its future. You can find those on the website. We've got a website, searchandrescuebook.com, searchandrescuebook.com. That'll be a place people can write reviews, they can write, ask questions, they can contact us. There'll be some more about the author if you need to hear any more of that stuff, but more about what the map, this Two Realms, Two Kingdom, there's another resource that's being developed. What does this map look like? If you were to lay it out across the table and open up all the panels, what would Two Realms and Two Kingdoms look like? That's going to be offered also at the website, and as a way to stay oriented, and to stay aware of where you are, what the larger story looks like. So those are just a few of the resources we're excited about developing, working on. There's an audio CD that we've produced actually from the conferences that we've done on the Two Realms and Two Kingdoms. So if somebody wanted to listen to that conference presentation on Two Realms and Two Kingdom, it supplements and it goes alongside the book in a tremendous way. Gives you kind of a feel for a teaching series, what that might sound like and look like.